Good morning, 819S. It's a chilly one. Last night the bikes were frozen. There was snow on my wife's bike and mine had just a little bit on it. It was frozen into the seat so we couldn't really scrub it off, but threw a towel over it and we were able to ride home safe and warm and dry. Bento. Bento is a Japanese lunchbox. It's what people put their food in to take it into work or school. And bentos are typically round or square rectangular shape boxes. Recently there are bento boxes that come in different shapes, like cartoon characters and stuff like that. And there's a bento event in Shinjuku that's going on right now that highlights a bento box that's the shape of a motorcycle gas tank. It's from a small cafe or a small restaurant in Chichibu in Saitama. And they have 6 different variations, it seems. 2 from TV shows, 2 from manga, and 2 from racing companies, I believe. One is definitely a racing engineering company. They're definitely cool. I wish I could get down to Shinjuku and buy one. They're a little on the expensive side for a bento. Bentos are usually cheaper than that, but I think you get to keep and reuse the box, which is definitely cool. If you're in Japan, I'll leave a link down in the description to the restaurant in Chichibu, and it would be cool to check it out if you want to get like a souvenir that would be really unique. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Get out there and ride, and always ride safe.